bathing suit from Cupshe is actually insane. Shh, because you're going to want to hear this. The swimsuit fabric is double lined with mesh, just like shapewear, not just in the front, also in the back. And then you get to tie it. Before you even lace it and tie it in the back, it's already got that tight sculpting fit. You can tie this bathing suit as tight as you want. It's actually crazy. Suctions everything in, pushes everything up. You're pretty much wearing a corset to the beach. You see a lot of animal printed bathing suits. Not one of them comes through as gorgeous as this. You could be like me and have absolutely no curves, but in this one piece, you'll feel like you do. It's lightly cheeky in the back, but still super classy. Eat, drink, loosen it up. As far as one-piece bathing suits go, literally perfect. I'm gonna link it below.
Ami, bibigyan ka, madam. Message ka lang sa seller center. Yung hindi, yung pa-free mo. Go. Alam, may red. Oh, madalang na kulay. Madalang na kulay. Size medium ha. Self-tie ang Shanti. Medium, medium. Ayan. Small med carry tali sa likod. 139. Code ng 7. Code ako 7. 139 pesos. B, ang ganda niyan. Tali likod. Code ng 7. Code ng 7. Code ako 7. 139 pa, madam. 699 me. Extra small to small. Hala, wala kay red. Madalang si red. O, dito mo na siya. Hindi pansinin yan, ma. Magko-comment na naman kayo. Ano yung red? Ano yung red? Next na mga CZ. Another. O, 2XL mga madam ha. Root siya gilid. O, pa 1 piece. 2XL mga mi. Code ako dito ng 4. Code ng 4, 2XL. 139 pesos. Code ng 4, madam, 2XL, 139 pesos. Madam Hicks Nails, yours na, 139. Ma'am Hicks Nails, 139 pesos. Thank you, CZ. Next na tayo. Another. Oy, malapit na. Malapit na sa likod. Malapit na. At saka yung mga rare, ma-flex. Next. Oh, wait kayo. Ay, may one piece. Huy, one piece ang box. Madalang ang one piece eh. O, large. Todohin nyo to kasi madalang lumabas ang one piece. Large, code ako 10. 139, code ako 10, size large. 10 ang code bading, code 10. 139 large. 10, madam. Huy, chusera kayo. Ay, nyo to. Madalang kasi one piece eh. Minsan lang magpakita, ma'am. 139, code ako 10. Next na CZ. O, purple pa rare. Pa-purple. Size na to, madam, medium. Small, medium carry. Ganda nyon. Small, medium carry ha. Code ako dito ng 4. Code 4, 139 pesos. Madalang ang purple, be. Paldo na kayo dito. Code 4. Madam Jobs, yours na. 139. Ba, nakakausap mo pa si Divine? Jobs, 139.
Nalala ko na yung papa niya.
Oh, kasi naalala ko yung pangalan eh. 139 pesos. Buti nga pag nakikita ko si Ina, hindi ko naalala si Divine. Next na si Izzy. Pero nung una, nakikita ko siya kanya.
Ato small, code ng 5. Small, 99, code 5. O, hanging yan ha. Code ng 599, small, code ako ng 5. Pag merong maligaw na pang 99, code ng 5 Small, code 5. Ma'am De La Cruz. SSD 10, 99. Jean De La Cruz. Thank you, me. 123, 123, 99. Salamat. Ay, meron yung face mask, mga sis. Gantong style, baka bet nyo. 99 lang to. Medium magmamay na. Lock sa likod. Medium 99. Medium 99, code ng 8. Medium 99 lang. Code ng 8. 8 ang code 8. Medium, code ng 8. Cords na large. 3-in-1 ba yan, ma? Code ng 8, medium. Ay, nito. Maganda yan. Code 8. Next tayo. Ay, may short. Oh, small yata to. Ala, small to medium, te. 189 na lang yan, oh. Small to medium. Ganda niyan, be. Small to medium to, ha. Small to medium. Code ako ng 11 na. Pang conservative niya, code 11 na. Anong blue na yun, Mima ko? Code ng 11, code 11. 11 ng code 11, code 11 na. Small to medium. Uy, 189, code 11. Ayaw? Okay. Next, Ito may red pa. Hala, 99. Ay, yung face mask, Hoy, meron dito. Yung medium na blue. Meron, Hoy, medium textured pa yan, May to. Yayaman year na. Andito, sa gilid ko. Medium be. Ganda niyan, Code ng 4. Medium na textured, code ng 4, code ng 4. Medium 4 ang code, pa-code ng 4. Code 4, code 4. Medium to. Oh, baby, baby. Ay. Code 4. Huy, textured to. Ayaw, no? Totoo? Sure kayo? Huy, ang ganda ng tela nito. Huy, totoo, Code ng 4, medium. 99 lang. Aba, ayaw, no? Sa likod, Ayun, strawberry sana. Wala pang yung strawberry, Ito ba yun, Ito yun ba? Miss Angel, yours yun. Want it to be. Tell me, baby. 99 yours, What we got. My loneliness is killing me. Uy, maganda to. I still believe. Ay, ganda sa likod, Pag ganyan pala kasi siya. May bakal. 99, confirm. Confirm, Eto kay Mima ko may Gyra, May Gyra. Confirm, maganda yun. Diba, hindi ka magsasisi siya, Nanchinayin naman siya, May Gyra. Thank you. Hanapin natin yung strawberry. Baka meron mamaya sa next na bundle. Ito 99 self-try. Extra small. Wait lang. Ilas ko nga lang. Papalibre ako. Nawiwiwi na ako. Extra small, 99. Extra small, code ako ng 1 Extra small, 99. Code 1, code 1. 1 ang code, pa-code ng 1 Extra small to small, code ng 1. 99 Ma'am Rush Neng. Rush Neng. Yellow na, small. Rusheng pala. Lima Rusheng. Auto lace. Sige, bonus. Ay, 149 small. Pampag-hishing na lace. Small. 149 na lang. Lock 169. Extra small to small. Code ako ng 27 para makaihi ka na. 27 ang code. Ayan, baka may mag-lock. Wala. Extra small to small. Wala. Joy. Wait, wiwi lang ako. Got my loneliness is killing me. Thank you. Libre walang bayad, ma.